Game failing to initialize because of the Uplay R1 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. As we get into the manual process for Uplay R1, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Uplay R1, the primary client-side library for the Ubisoft Connect, formerly Uplay, platform. It manages user achievements, cloud-save synchronization, and DRM entitlement checks for older Ubisoft titles like Assassin's Creed or Far Cry. Because it hooks into game memory, it is frequently quarantined by antivirus software. If deleted, the game will refuse to launch. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This problem typically points to a missing graphics runtime dependency involving Uplay R1 DLL. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime repairs legacy DirectX DLLs, while updating GPU drivers resolves compute-related components. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Uplay R1 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Uplay R1 DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Uplay R1 management. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Uplay R1 was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.